Hey everybody, I'm on the 86th floor of the Empire State Building. This is the iconic open air viewing deck of the Empire State Building. And this is a fun fact, Facebook. I've never been to the Empire State Building in my entire life.
Didn't you grow up here?
Huh?
You grew up here,
right? I was
right?
born in New York City, but I think like a lot of New Yorkers, you know, you see it, you see the Statue of Liberty, you know the tourists go, you know that people love to get married here, you know that people love to run up the stairs, and you always think to yourself, I got other things to do. But clearly, this is pretty cool. I've always loved the building from afar because it is just representation of old New York, Art Deco New York. And so here I am. This is where, you know, they filmed Sleepless in Seattle and An Affair to Remember and Elf and all the movies that we love. So this is pretty cool. You can see all of Manhattan. You can see New Jersey. It's 360 degrees all around. So you can see from the east side to the west side. Really, really cool. So here's why we are broadcasting here this morning for CBS This Morning. We are going to get a first look at the 102nd floor, which is what the Empire State Building has been working to reopen over the last year and a couple of months. And to help me with the fact checking, Abby, join us.
Hi.
This is Abby.
Hi.
She's the head of marketing for the Empire State Building. What's up?
We're so excited that you guys are here and you're anchoring this morning from the top of the 102nd floor.
So, a couple of things. Like I said, I was saying to our Facebook fans, I've never actually been.
How is that possible?
I know, it's kind of crazy.
Yeah, that's nuts.
I feel like though anybody who's watching this and lives in a city or state that has a lot of tourists that visit probably have the same experience, you know, that they've never gone to something that, you know, a bunch of tourists go to. But what's really cool is just coming into the building and getting into the elevator. It is so beautiful. I mean, there really is nothing
gorgeous,
like
right?
it.
Yeah. We have open air 360-degree views, and now is really the time to visit. We opened up a museum at the end of July. The 102nd floor is a whole new experience, so there's not a better time in the world to visit the Empire State Building.
All right, so let's head to the elevators, and let's show everybody a little taste of what we're gonna see once our show starts at 7 a.m. So this terminal is not in service, so we've gotta call somebody. While we're waiting for the elevator to come up, Suzanne, are we getting any questions? Greetings from people all over the country.
Not questions, but we've got someone from a windy Boston.
Hello, Boston.
Memphis, Tennessee.
Memphis, Tennessee. I love Memphis. Oh my God, I love Memphis. I'm a huge
Detroit.
Elvis fan.
Oh.
Hey, here's our elevator. After you, ladies. Well, not you, Suzanne, because you're filming me.
Oh.
Wow, so you got the mood lighting, got the mood music. And actually, when I was riding it up to the 86th floor, you have all different language playing for different tourists that come from different countries.
Yeah, all of our signage is in 9 languages.
Wow.
Very cool. So now we're heading to the 102nd floor.
Oh my gosh.
It's pretty cool.
I hope we don't lose service. Ooh. So this is inside the spire now.
Yeah, so that's really cool. Good thing to point out, Suzanne. We're actually in the spire of the Empire State Building, which is just amazing. And here we are, the very, very top, and I'm going to be a little quiet because our show is probably just about to go on the air. Got a couple of minutes until the show is.
So this is the 102nd floor.
102nd floor of the Empire State Building. Come along.
It's right? Yeah.
Look at this. You can see all of New York City. This is just amazing. We're actually, look, you can see the Chrysler Building in the distance. Come over here.
Tight space.
Chrysler Building used to be the tallest building in New York City until the Empire State Building was constructed. The Empire State Building was constructed in March.
Oh, that's tight.
Construction began in March of 1931. 1930, March of 1930, and was completed. So the construction of the Empire State Building began in March of 1930 and was completed in April of 1931. It only took 13 months to build this iconic, beautiful structure. The workers, almost 4,000 construction workers, built 4 floors a month. Let's go around.
Let's see if Tony wants to say hi.
So
this is
the Chrysler Building. Come around this way. So
Thank you, everybody. Let's have a good show.
See, we're about to start the show. You can hear Tony's on the set, so let's do a quick 360 degrees.
Quick 360 degrees.
Hold still for next to two. Okay.
Down there, World Trade Center Memorial,
Amazing.
looking downtown, Brooklyn Bridge.
Guys on silent.
Facebook Live.
Facebook Live.
We're about to go on air. We're about to go on air.
We can already see the sunrise early up here.
15 to air.
15 seconds to air.
All right.
And we will see you at 7:47 for What to Watch.